That lady's been trying to get out for. That lady's literally been stuck there for like the past 20 minutes now. Honestly, guys, why don't we follow weather alerts more? Maybe y'all wouldn't have gotten stuck if you would have just stayed home. Yeah, there's like 50 feet of snow outside right now in my town of Aberdeen, South Dakota. And if we zoom in over there, the federal. Oh, I know you guys can't see it, but. Yeah, there's nobody at the federal building today. Nobody's working at the federal building today. And I don't have to work today. I got called off because I can't go to work like in this weather right now. And my boss cannot drive. If your boss cannot drive, if your bosses cannot drive, if your coworkers cannot drive, if your if your job calls you saying don't go in, and if schools are canceled, that should already be enough to think about. Like, if all that is canceled, what is going to make it okay for you to go try to go driving in this weather? Like, I mean, I do feel bad for that person, but, like, dude, there's like 50 feet of snow and blowing wind gusts. Like, why would you want to go driving in this where you know for sure you're gonna get stuck? I would not want to go driving in this unless I necessarily really had to. But yeah, guys, here's another snowstorm. This is like the second one I've recorded. And I'm not outside right now because obviously. I don't get it. Yesterday and the few days before, it was like in the upper 50s and stuff. And I was outside. Now look at this. Yeah, you're just spinning wheels now. Yeah, just keep spinning them wheels. Eventually something magical is going to happen. Yeah, you are not getting out of that. You're cooked. Nobody, and I mean nobody, should be out driving in this. There's literally a reason why no travel advisories are a thing. So yeah, guys, it's definitely a nice enough day to just be inside and, maybe go live or do something. Which I might do. I might do that. And luckily, I already got my Sanyo SCP 8100 from the mail. So I don't know if the mailman's going to be out in this right now. It is blowing wind out too. Ma'am, you're not going to get out of there. You're stuck there completely. She's been spinning tires like this for the last 30 minutes or so. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't see what turning your tires are going to do either. Like, that's not really going to do much. Yeah, I'm sorry y'all cannot see out my window. But, yeah. Lovely, lovely snowstorm today that got my work canceled.